The Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine 2023 Cancer Times Student Tutorial. The Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine offers a series of topics in interdisciplinary medicine courses as part of its Genes to Society medical student curriculum. The program was taught by Dr. Shawn Lupold from the Department of Urology as well as Dr. J. James Frost, President of Biomolecular Imaging and retired professor from Hopkins Department of Radiology. Dr. Lupold presented on new molecular cancer treatments based off the hallmarks of cancer, and Dr. Frost discussed intelligence as applied to cancer and specifically the computational aspects. Each year brings many new molecular treatments and adaptive dosing approaches for optimal outcomes. On days 2 and 3, the students presented a recent article they chose from a list of over 40 new curated articles Dr. Lupold and Dr. Frost created. Some of the topic categories for 2023 included prevention, therapeutic dosing and tumor response, cancer physics, computation and information, and a new category drugging the undruggable targets. I learn a lot from the high-level discussions by these outstanding Johns Hopkins medical students, said Dr. J. James Frost of Biomolecular Imaging. The publications presented by the students spanned a wide array of topics. There were 5 articles that dealt with cancer prevention. There were 3 on clinical trials that focused on the poliovirus, ID mutants, and high folate alpha expression. Finally, a truly novel approach examined the scientific feasibility of silencing mutant CRAS by inducing its misfolding and aggregation, much like amyloid aggregation in the brain. Read all of the selected 2023 Cancer Times student tutorial articles in the blog at www.drjamesfrost.com.